What's going on, guys? John here from Jacobs Creek Outdoors. So we're going to retrofit this CGM Cobra that has the webbing belt. We're going to retrofit it to a rope belt here. So stay tuned. You can see what I'm going to do. First, I'm going to wrap the rope around myself just to kind of get a size idea where I want to be. And we'll start tying some knots. And I actually did contact Jerry from CGM and asked him what knot he uses on his rope belts so that I could use the same one. Awesome guy to talk to. He told me, he said, you know, you can do it. You can send it back. I'll do it. Or, you know, so here I am. I did some research and I'm going to do it myself. Let's see. Get this shoved in here. Now, the one thing I did learn, because I've tied this a couple different times now, make sure I'm doing it right before I decided to tie it live. It takes a little bit to get this knot to cinch down tight. Once you do, you're good to go. That's it. So we'll do a little sizing real quick. Go. That's a little tight. Probably right about there. I'm gonna take this, give myself some room. I'm just gonna tie a scaffold knot into it real quick, just so I know where to cut the rope. Well, I guess it's not really a scaffold knot, it's half a scaffold knot. That worked well. So normally when rope companies cut their ropes, they'll use what's called a hot knife. I don't have one, so sharp knife, blowtorch, works just as well. Every once in a while you're gonna have to shape the end of that knot. Which one of these do we have? Okay. A little bit of heat shrink on it. That'll work. Now for the fun part, get it into there. Apparently I didn't heat shrink it enough. Now I might heat shrunk it too much. Be okay. This is just how I'm gonna do it to make my life easy. Because I already have something threaded through there, might as well use it. That's it. The rope's through. Now all we gotta do is tie 2 knots in it. Okay. The other thing I did figure out was if you can keep this knot tight, your loops tight as you tie it, it works better. We already screwed up. Need more of this side pulled through. One extra loop in there. I think we got it that time. Okay, let's see what we got. That'll work. So that's how you retrofit a saddle.